Hey, do you want to see all your competitors' ads in one place? Come with me, I'll show you. So what you have to do is search for the competitor. In this case, we'll use Charlotte Tilbury, amazing makeup company. And you need to find a search ad. See these little three dots? You need to click on them carefully. And you have your My Ad Center information. Scroll down, there you go, see more ads. We click on this and voila, all the ads that they're running in the UK on Google. That's simple. You want to see other locations? Let's look at anywhere in the world. There we go, all the search ads, some display ads as well, visual ads. Let's have a look what they're showing on YouTube. Okay, so they're showing search ads on YouTube, some product ads on YouTube, search ads, some image ads. It doesn't look like they're advertising any video ads on YouTube at the moment, which is interesting because you would expect them to have some really great videos, especially for remarketing. And I wonder if they're doing that on paid social, but they're not doing that on YouTube. So this is a really easy way to see what competitors are doing, what strategies they're using, messages, and of course what channels they might be missing on. So perhaps if you're like a smaller player in the field and you want to try and beat some of the big players, maybe it seems that YouTube is maybe a good channel to try and explore because it's not used enough. And that's it. You can even take this link and save it and share it with your teammates to view that and discuss internally. All right. I hope you found this useful. Speak to you soon.